Welcome to episode 39 of the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Each episode I explore a term or a concept you may encounter in a real estate transaction and explain those in a way that I hope is easily understood. Today we're going to be talking about buyers' out-of-pocket expenses. It's really a continuation of last week's episode. When you're a buyer, there are certain expenses that you should take into consideration. Without the needed funds, your offer and buying experience could be less than smooth. One thing that you're going to need money for is the due diligence money and the earnest money. Go back to episode 22 where I explained the difference between those two. It's going to be part of almost every offer we see, and you can't use lender funds for this. You need that money in pocket. Something else from episode 8 is the inspections. They are so important. It's too much of an investment to not know what you're buying. You need to have funds in hand to pay these up front. May not be a bad idea to plan for it, plan to do it more than once in case you have a home that doesn't pass your inspection and we have to move to a second home. The other thing to consider is, do you have startup money for startup fees for utility deposits? These cost money and are sometimes not considered until late in the process, putting in additional strain on your personal budget at an already stressful time. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my website at chriswhitehurst.com, on YouTube and Facebook. If you like what you see, be sure to subscribe and follow, and please share with your friends. There's more great content coming soon. I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.